Your penis has been hacked. AI slop has taken control of it, not by 100%, but by 193%. You didn't even notice, but maybe this is the future. False and misleading health advice is thriving all around the world. There are no doctors behind this information. It's just a business. The goods? The most precious thing a doctor has to sell: hope. And they're not just selling it, it's on sale at AI channels. Do doctors still matter? Not online, no. They've lost ownership of their knowledge. But there's a problem. In real life, they can't be replaced. You can't be a patient of some fake AI doctor. My name is Dr. Stefan Buntrock. I'm one of the most copied urologists on YouTube. This video reveals the truth about your erections. I'm sure AI channels won't copy that one. You don't want to watch this, I know, but I'll say it anyway. Someone has to do it. This video is going to be brutally honest. The question is, do you have what it takes to be honest with yourself? Your penis has been hacked by tricksters making easy money off your penis. Boost your erections by drinking water. Use olive oil. Did you know that folic acid is the hidden secret? Stuff like that. Don't get me wrong. I know exactly what's going on. The world has become more complex than ever. It is increasingly difficult to separate reality from fantasy, right from wrong, true from false. Men are being redefined from the outside in. What used to be black and white has become at least 100 shades of gray. Societal changes have dissected male identity, crushed male self-image, and robbed men of their balls. Maybe that's why content about testicles doesn't perform. Just a personal observation. Bottom line, what's left for men in today's Western societies? Simple answer: the penis. That's one thing they can't take. Recently, I uploaded some videos about very large penises. I'm sure many of you noticed. It was an experiment, and it was risky because it carried a hidden message. But would the audience understand it? Some of you did, and I'm grateful for that. Many viewers didn't. Maybe the message was too subtle, and the videos didn't unfold the way people expected. Maybe it's also about my role, not exactly your textbook urologist. Don't get me wrong. I, too, live in the world of guidelines and studies, but not exclusively. How do you measure the human mind? Can you put numbers on neuroticism or shame? How do you map response patterns in randomized studies with a ruler? It's difficult, isn't it? I don't just claim to specialize in sexual medicine. I've been formally trained in it. I was trained in psychotherapeutic techniques. I have used them in real cases, and I'm board certified. That's not exactly what you'd expect from a traditional urologist. And you're right, it doesn't. Especially since I don't just hold a PhD in medicine. I also have one in literary studies. It allows me to see the penis through a different lens. For me, it's not only an organ, but a symbol for what's going wrong with men in this world today. In over 700 videos on UroChannel, I've sent one clear message. The penis is part of a man, but it's not what makes him a man. When I talk about the 8-inch lifestyle, I'm actually talking about something else entirely. About finding oneself, about dignity, about freedom, about independence. You're not going to find that in olive oil? Yes, I understand you, better than you may think. The brutal truth: mankind is on the wrong track. External boosters and sketchy life hacks have taken the place of discipline, effort, and the hard-earned wisdom of thinking for yourself. UroChannel is not built on life hacks. It's built on honesty. So don't try to fix what's not broken. If your penis works, don't try to boost it. Just be grateful it does. You want an inch more? Honestly, who cares? Who are you trying to impress? Nobody would be impressed. They wouldn't even notice. You'd need 10 extra inches for that to work, and that's not surgically possible. Erections tend to weaken with age, and for some, it starts early. But is it because you lack folic acid? Hardly. It's about isolating erections from feelings. Sex is neither a sport nor a rated performance, But that's exactly what the world wants you to believe. Being honest to oneself, even if it hurts, is a first step to a better life. Brutal honesty is the first step, especially with yourself. Self-care is the best recipe for long-lasting erections. Self-care, or as some say, the unsexy life. Sleep well, don't smoke, skip drugs, forget alcohol, no junk, no cheap crap, move your body, watch your weight. A life of discipline, once the rule in ancient southern Europe. Now, quite the opposite. Is there something you can do about ED? Absolutely, that's the good news. But simple life hacks as proposed by AI slop, that's called self-deception or penis hacking, 193%. I didn't bother to ask you to subscribe in this video. Nobody will be watching it anyway. But I needed to send this, a message from a fading species. Real human content. I'm Dr. Stefan Buntrock, always copied, never matched.